Yan guys, magluto tayo ng labanos para sa ating mga friend KSSW. Ayan guys. Yan yung aming bukas na pang lunch. Ayan, di ba? Ganon. Ganon lang yan guys. Piniritong dried fish. Ayan o. Iwan ko sa inyo kung magustuhan nyo to. Ayan. Pilip ka dyan habang nagluluto tayo ng dried fish natin guys. Di ba masaya, no? Ayan. Yung dried fish natin, napakasarap. Okay, ayan na guys. Ayan yung dried fish natin. Yung dried fish natin na niluluto, ang sarap ng bango. Bahala na yung ibang bahay dyan manira. Diba guys na? Bahala kayo kung magsira kayo dyan, ha? Okay na yan. Okay na. And then guys, syempre, habang nagluluto tayo niyan, magawa tayo ng tomato. Tomato, ayan, o diba? Ayan, tomato yan. Tomato yan guys. Lagyan natin siya guys ng ano. Uy, sarap. Lagyan natin ito yung ating ginawang dried fish. Ayan guys. Ayan. Lagyan muna natin ng asukal, no? We just put a little sugar. Little, just like that, a little sugar. Little sugar pa ba yan guys, no? Para na mawala yan yung ano. At saka dito, lagyan natin to ng a little sugar. Yung ating dried fish guys. Tapos ito syempre i-ano natin yan dyan, oh. Okay. Tapos of course yung ating ano guys, sarap kainin, oh. Yung ating dried fish guys, ayan. Ilagay na natin yung ating dried fish guys sa taas lang, no? Di ba guys? Saan ka pa niyan? May dried fish na tayo. Kala mo kanin yung sa baba guys, no? Di ba? Tapos, of course, nakuha na natin. Labanos, this one guys, ha? I do like that this one, oh. Look. This is labanos. I don't know what did you call this in your country, guys. Oy. It's not my problem already. Joke. Yan. Yan na, guys. Diba? Okay. Of course, ilalagay natin yung ating, we just put our tomato here guys, no? Because, you know, don't put the, we just cover later, okay? Do it by do it. Okay, nasira na yun natin. Yung ano natin paggawa ng ating labanos with Lastimac labanos. Ayan guys, no? Yan na yung ating labanos. Ayan. Lagyan natin dyan. Okay? Enjoy watching. God bless. Yan ang labanos natin. Ilagay lang natin yung ano guys, yung we just put the, what is this? Okay. And later guys, of course, I will put the vinegar. Okay? This is the vinegar. Our vinegar is dato puti guys, okay? I'm using this one from Philippines, of course. Where did you buy the products? Of course, the Philippine product, okay? Just like that, guys. Don't make too much problem, guys. Okay? Yan. Okay, ayan. Lagyan lang natin siya ng vinegar. Just a little vinegar. Okay, enough, guys. Tomorrow I will mix. Okay? I don't want to mix now. Tomorrow I will mix that. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. This is labanus. Dried fish. Of course, onions. Yes, as salt, sugar. And of course, tomato, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. God bless. Thank you, guys.